What is this? What is this for? 4 stars. Next up, we've got a pot that cooks with no stovetop.
Burgers and fries in my dorm.
Do I want 450 degrees of canola oil deep frying frozen potatoes on my comforter at 3 a.m.? That's what I'm asking myself. There's literally just liquid beef on their bed now. This comment, I feel like there have to be more pressing questions. What seasonings do you use for your fries? Let's test this at 3 a.m.
Okay, guys, it does smell like something is burning.
No, dude, I'm sick and tired of you leaving this door open.
Oh, sorry.